Hey everybody, Mike Donato here from Fiamma, Canada, and today we're going to be looking at how to do a cleaning cycle on a Jura J8. Now what you're going to need for this process is the Jura cleaning tablets. They come in a 6-pack or in a 25-pack. And quick pro tip before you start this, I always recommend having 2 receptacles. That way you can catch all your spent water from both your central spouts and cappuccino spouts. You'll know it's time to clean the machine when your machine says clean machine. So to start this process, you're going to select the gear on the bottom left corner and select clean machine. The first thing we'll ask you is to empty your tray. Even if your tray is already empty, you need to remove it, wait 30 seconds and put it back in. Immediately following that, your machine will begin the cleaning process. Now water will start coming out, make sure your receptacles are in place, and wait for it to ask you to insert tablet. You're going to open the pre-ground chute, put your single cleaning tablet in, and click next. At this point, the machine will go through its process. It takes about 15 minutes. It's going to break down that tablet, clean any coffee oils, fats, anything left in your brewing unit, and flush it right out of the machine. Once the process is done, it'll ask you to empty tray one more time. You're going to take it out, empty it, reinsert it to your machine, and you're done. And it's that simple. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to check out our Instagram at Fiamma_Canada for some cool content, and our website, fiamma.ca, for all your maintenance product needs.